Hey everybody. So I called off work today because I have phlegm coming out of me and I really don't want to get old people sick. But, so, today I want to talk about, like, what synchronicity is to me. Like, cause, like, I've been thinking, guys, like, imagination is like a dream, right? Okay? But like we're always like we can always see using our imagination. Doesn't that mean like we're always like in a weird dream? Like I really feel that way, and I always feel like well, I mean if you think about it, you can technically control your thoughts technically. You can change your thoughts. And I've done it before, and I would have synchronicity after synchronicity. And I think a good way to explain what synchronicity is kind of like living the dream or whatever. Because, like, if you really think about it, I mean, life is kind of like a dream. Like, you never know what's going to happen. Like, imagination is also kind of like a dream. And we always have that going on in our heads. Like, everything is so crazy. Like, I can't even, like, I'm not going to lie to you. The other day, I was thinking to myself, someone's going to give me a compliment on my hair. I just know it. And then the first customer of the day gives me a compliment on my hair right when I go over there. I'm like, what? No, but, like, it literally is like living the dream, guys. It's like you got a dream big inside of your head. Like if you think about it, no matter what, no matter if your thoughts are negative or positive, usually it has to do, like, usually it'll be a part of the dream. So, like, if you're having a bunch of negative thoughts, it'll negatively impact your dream or whatever, which is your reality. Because, like, we are living the dream, guys. Like, we're living the dream. And I feel like that's what synchronicity is when your dreams are becoming reality right before your eyes. Because, like, you gotta dream, first of all, to have your dream become a reality. You can't just not dream. You need to have a dream, and you need to keep dreaming when you're awake. So in order to do that, you need to use your imagination and keep your dream alive at all times. You don't ever want to let go of your dream. Now, sometimes thoughts wander, and that's completely natural, completely normal. But at the end of the day, I feel like that's what it is living the dream. That's a good way of explaining it. I don't know how else to explain it, because, like, truly I don't know what it is other than that. It's like living the dream. I don't know. Because, like, you know how in a dream you'll, like, think of something and then it appears? It's like the same thing. I feel like dreams can be like a practice for manifesting. Like, you can literally use your dreams as practice for manifesting. Because I did that in one of my dreams. I wanted this guy I knew to pop up in one of my dreams, and then he did. He popped up in a car. I was like, well, I guess it worked. No, but, like, it's just so weird. I don't understand half the time. But let me know in the comments what you think. Do you think it's living the dream? I want to know. Because that's how I feel. I feel like life is like living the dream. And that's why synchronicities happen, is because your dreams are coming true. And it's because, like, it could be a bad dream, too. We could have a bad synchronicity. Oh, I think he's going to cheat on me. Oh, bitch, your dream came true. You better dream something beautiful, because that's not it. You better dream the guy's going to give you some flowers and call you Betsy. I'm serious, because at the end of the day, why the fuck would I have a dream he's cheating on me when I could have a dream he's going to buy me flowers, and I could have a dream that he's going to ask me to marry him and have my babies? You know? I'd rather have that than a cheater. So don't sit there thinking about, you know, imagining all that shit. Because, like, literally when you're using your imagination, you're, like, dreaming it. Pretty much. And, like, dreams do become reality sometimes, and we just gotta, we might as well make it a good dream. We don't want any nightmares. We don't want any bad dreams in this reality. When we want good dreams. But yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna try my best. I'm gonna, like, control my dream or whatever. which is this reality, and I'm going to see what kind of things happen, or like not even control, just kind of think more on the positive side, just in general. Just in general, try my best, you know. I'm not quite sure what reality is. Feels like a dream. What is reality? I don't know. Why should I care? I always focus too much on that shit. Why the fuck does it matter? I'm stuck here whether I like it or not. I might as well try my best to dream the greatest dream in the universe. I don't need to have no nightmares in this reality. So, like, when you think negatively about situations, I feel like that's, like, equivalent to having a nightmare, because, like, you have all these bad scenarios coming up in your head, and, like, you see all these bad scenarios, and you're like, oh. You know, it's not good. It's kind of like having a nightmare. And then when we have a good dream and we think of all these good scenarios, it's like having a positive dream. I'm like, wow, like, what? You might as well live your life, you know, dreaming positive other than dreaming negative. I don't know. That's what I think. But, try your best. Like, that's a way to think about it. I just like to share those, because there's always, you know, things change. I always think about things in different ways eventually. But that's how I think of it right now. But, I don't know. That's really it. So I'm going to try my best. I'll let you guys know what happens. I'm going to try my best to control my brain cells, and control my dream, my inner state, the dreams within. I'm going to try to make them as positive as I can. And it doesn't even have to be, anything that crazy. Just trying to make things that make me happy. I want to think about things that make me happy. I'm tired of thinking about things that make me sad. I don't want to be sad. I want to be happy. You know what? That's it. That's all I want, is to be happy. So I got to think about things that make me happy. And if I think about things that make me sad, well, then I'm not going to be happy no matter what I manifest. We gotta dream about all the good things. No more bad things in here. No more bad things in here. Only good things. I gotta tell myself that. Because sometimes I'll be thinking bad things. No, no, no. Every time you catch one of those thoughts, you catch it and you say, no, 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 and you slap it and tell it to get the fuck out. And then replace it with something beautiful that makes you happy. Sometimes you get a feeling, and I want to hold on to that feeling. I don't want to hold on to the feeling of sorrow. I want to hold on to the feeling of happiness. But yeah, let me know in the comments if it works for you guys. I'm going to try my best. I'll let you know if anything happens. But there's a little synchronicity that happened. A synchronicity meaning my dream that became a reality, sort of. It was like, it took 2 seconds. My mind said, I think someone's going to give me a compliment today. And then someone gave me a compliment right after. It's that easy. State of mind affects things, so we gotta think positive, everybody. Try to think positive. Think positive, think positive. I know it hurts. It's stressful, but we gotta do it anyway. So, yeah, I'm trying my best too. I really am, because I have not been in the best state of mind, and I need to slap myself, and I need to say, no, Scarlett, you need to think you're beautiful. You need to think this person likes you. You need to think this. You need to think that. Because that's really it. You need to think the best. You need to stop thinking the worst. If you think the worst, you'll get the worst, because synchronicity, dreams become reality. And also, if you think the worst is already there, because it's right here in your head. Like, it's literally there while you're thinking about it, because you keep thinking about it. So stop thinking about it. It's not even in your actual reality. It doesn't have to be, because it's inside of you. You need to stop. You need to fix that shit. You need to fix that shit now. Slap that shit and tell him, no, I'm your boss. You listen to me. Why do you believe the negative thoughts but not the positive thoughts? Why don't you just believe the positive thoughts instead of the negative thoughts? Just slap those negative thoughts and say, get the fuck out of here and beat their ass, because I'm tired of those negative thoughts. You better start listening to those positive thoughts, even if they're delusional. Why aren't the negative thoughts delusional? I'm sure it could be delusional to somebody. Someone thinks you're crazy listening to those negative thoughts. So you need to take those negative thoughts, push them up, get away, and then listen to the positive thoughts. If you don't have any, then you need to just create them and just make shit up, because that's what works sometimes. It works to make you a happier person. So it's all about your happiness right now. We want to be happy, and happiness comes from inside sometimes. Sometimes happiness doesn't come from outside. Sometimes it comes from inside. And sometimes we need to think the best, okay? We need to think, yes, everything's going well. And this person likes me. I'm going to have this. I'm going to do that. You know, just do it. Don't even care. Just dream. Like daydream. Why not? What's it gonna do? Kill you? I don't think so. It's not gonna kill you to daydream. Just do it. Just do it. And this is for me. This is for me and for you. But it's for me too, because I'm making this video for me. Like, I was watching one of my videos the other day, and I helped myself. And I made that video like a year ago. Sometimes it is for me. I'm making this video for me. Hello, me in the future. Change your dreams. Change your dreams. Make them happy. Stop being sad. Stop having sad thoughts and sad dreams. When you're having sad dreams, you cry. Shut up. I want you to be happy. I want you to have happy dreams. So you better start dreaming happy, bitch. It don't even matter what it is. It could be feeding ducks, bitch. Go feed some ducks and go be happy. That's all I said right now. But thank you guys for watching. Thank me for watching this video in the future, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.